Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create QR codes in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you need to generate multiple QR codes at once for events, inventory tracking, or marketing campaigns without using external tools. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Sign in with your Google account credentials to access your Workspace dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see all your available documents and spreadsheets displayed on the screen from your Workspace dashboard. Locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to create your QR codes. This could be an existing sheet with data like URLs, contact information, or product codes that you want to convert into scannable QR codes. With your spreadsheet open, look at the top menu bar and click on Extensions. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there click on Add-ons, followed by Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace where you can find various tools to enhance your spreadsheet functionality. In the Marketplace search bar, type QR code generator and press Enter. You'll see the QR code generator add-on appear in the results. Click on it to view more details about the extension and its features. Next, click the Install button to begin adding this functionality to your Google Sheets. The installation process requires authorization, so you'll see a prompt asking you to sign in. Click Continue to proceed with the authentication. A permissions screen will appear showing what access the add-on needs to function properly. Check all the checkboxes to grant the necessary permissions, then click Continue to authorize the installation. This allows the add-on to interact with your spreadsheet data and create QR codes. Now you'll need to wait until the installation completes. This usually takes just a few moments. Once you see the confirmation message that the installation is done, you can close the Marketplace window and return to your spreadsheet. Back in your spreadsheet, click on Extensions in the top menu again. This time you'll see QR code generator listed among your installed add-ons. Click on it, then select Open from the submenu. This launches the QR code generator interface within your spreadsheet. The generator panel will appear on the right side of your screen, offering several customization options. You can choose to save as document, draw border, save as PNG, use second column, or shorten URL. Each option gives you different ways to format and save your QR codes depending on your specific needs. After selecting your preferred options, highlight the cells containing the data you want to convert into QR codes. This could be a single cell or an entire column of information. Once your data is selected, click the Generate button to start creating the QR codes. The generation process will now begin, and you'll need to be patient here. The time it takes depends entirely on how much data you're converting. If you're generating dozens or hundreds of QR codes, it might take a few minutes to complete, so don't close the window or navigate away. Once the process finishes, click Open Document to view your newly created QR codes. You'll see all your generated QR codes displayed in a new document, ready to be downloaded, shared, or printed as needed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.